Hey guys, I'm Scott, and I hope you're having a great day. This is our final segment of the Ageless guitar series, and as you may have anticipated, we're going to tackle how to play in other keys. Now we're going to do this using the same chord shapes, but we're going to add in a capo to move to the other keys. The trick to positioning the capo is knowing the notes on the E and A string, as well as the root note of the key you want to move to. Now our easy chords are based on a G chord, which has its root note on the 3rd fret of the E string. So if we wanted to move to the key of A, which is 2 frets higher on the E string, we're going to want to add a capo on the 2nd fret. Now we can play in the key of A using our exact same G, C, D chords, but now they'll be in the key of A. As a practical example, we're going to play our G, C, D chord progression, first in the key of G, and then with a capo on the 3rd fret, we'll play the same chord shapes, but we will now be in the key of B flat. All the ideas we've been looking at can be moved to different keys, and we can even add in the minor chord shapes. But all this is something for another day. The Ageless Guitar Series has been an interesting exercise and a lot of fun exploring guitar basics, and I hope you found it a lot of fun too. I'm Scott, and I'll see you soon.